Following the Gold Mafia documentary released recently by Al Jazeera, here are some of the responses from a representative of Ambassador Uerbert Angel, Dr. Sibino Mutisi. He said, "There has been a lot of misinformation, speculation, and deliberate efforts to scandalize the presidential envoy and ambassador at large, His Excellency Uerbert Angel." Dr. Mutisi said that the utterances made by Ambassador Uerbert Angel in the documentary appear to suggest that the ambassador carried out illegal activities involving gold trade and movement of cash. But the reality is that the ambassador has never traded in gold or moved cash for anyone. The ambassador would be right to challenge anyone with evidence that he once traded gold to move forward. Dr. Mutisi said that this documentary was not as secret as portrayed to the public. He said that the meeting with the ambassador were never secret. It was done in public and not in hidden places. As the chief investment officer, he engaged with potential investors with the view to guide them on the policy and producers in the sector of their interest. He went on to say that the ambassador helped them to navigate government bureaucracy and facilitate meetings with relevant officials from the public as well as the private sectors. He went on to say their office is one of the key starting point for any investor, and all the investments have to be registered via the relevant government agencies. Dr. Mutisi said the criminals in the Al Jazeera document has approached the Ambassador Angel fully aware of his position and integrity. These people posed as investors from a company called Philips, Hong Kong, which represented high net worth individuals who were keen to invest in Zimbabwe. Some of the issues that has been raised by Dr. Mutisi as a representative of His Excellency Ambassador Uerbert Angel are that they presented a proposal for a casino and gold trading hub at Victoria Falls with the view to register on the Victoria Falls Stock Exchange. And they thought their planned investments would enhance Victoria Falls as prime destinations for tourism and create much needed employment. It is all the ambassador's discretion to arrange a meeting with investors and His Excellency, the President, as a way of keeping him informed of new investments coming into the country in line with the Vision 2030. The documentary apparently edits out this context for the obvious reason of wanting to misrepresent facts with the intention of tarnishing the ambassador's image and portray Zimbabwe in a negative image. Dr. Mutisi said the ambassador does his work in the most noble and transparent manner, and the recorded episode with the fake investors was clearly a well-crafted ploy to trap the ambassador and tarnish his image. He promised that time will reveal that there is no single criminal activity that can be attributed to the ambassador in his capacity as an ambassador or as a private citizen. Lastly, he said that there's a lot of material that they omitted which could have provided a better view of the real motives and intention of the ambassador when he made some of the statements that are being used to scandalize him.